Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on GitHub. So first of all, you need to come here on github.com and then sign in into your account. Now here in your web browser, if you are trying to change the GitHub website's interface language, which is by default English, but you want to change it to any other language, then what you need to do is you need to simply just right click anywhere on the dashboard, then click on the option of translate. Now over here go to the detect language, and here you can just simply select the language. You can also click on the three dots, then you can choose another language, and here apart from English you just have to select that particular language which you want to change it to. So for example, let's say I'm going to select the Croatian language, then click on the option of translate. So this way, as you can see, this particular page has translated into the Croatian language. So that's how you can make changes into the language on GitHub in your web browser. Now if you want to do the same inside your GitHub mobile application, then you need to go to the GitHub applications settings, and inside it you will find the language option. So simply click on that and choose your preferred language. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.